Good morning, guys. It's Vlogmas day 2 and we are just having a lazy start to the morning. We actually got up pretty early thanks to Donnie's need for work. So he woke up pretty early. I laid in bed a little while. It's now about 9:15 and I'm gonna order us some breakfast. I just found out that IHOP is on Grubhub, so I think we're gonna do brunch from home. Here we have Donnie selecting his clone for the day. Tell us about your choice, sir. See, that's a Creed. Which Creed is it? Creed Aventus. Ooh, very, very nice. Gonna meet some hot chicks at the office. Bye. Have a good day at work. We'll miss you. Sundays are so much fun. Then there were two. Me and you. Well, Donnie has to go in the office again, so I texted my friend Megan and we're just gonna go and walk around Union Square area, maybe go to the Fairmont, see the gingerbread house, just have a festive afternoon. So I'm gonna meet her at 1:30, so I actually have to kind of hustle to get ready. It's already like almost 1 o'clock. Donnie and I spent the whole morning just being lazy. I've been editing Vlogmas. Yeah. Also, our Wi-Fi is really, really slow, so I should get this video uploading because it's gonna take about 10 years. So Vlogmas day 1 may go up like tonight, but that's okay. All right, now we are dressed and headed out to Union Square to meet up with Megan. Most wonderful time of the year. Uh-oh. Fun. And the tree. Oh my God. What? It's so pretty. Wow. Well, I'm gonna move in. Yeah, it's so pretty. Is that Santa? Is it? Could it be? Santa's just having drinks. It's a woman. That's a woman. Yeah. Definitely a woman.
It's actually real?
Yeah, it's real.
Gingerbread.
Yeah. Oh, this is Megan. We're just admiring the real gingerbread house. It is legit 3 stories, 2 stories tall. 3 stories? What do we think? Upper story?
There's some little attic.
What are the feet?
It's always something new.
Look at this. Oh my God, there's a Santa in the chimney.
Oh. That's awesome.
Eat it.
Oh,
Don't touch.
With respect.
With respect. Uh-oh. Someone took a little nibble.
This one's totally gone.
Someone just touched. So arguably this is the most impressive point here. The champagne Christmas tree. So we've got a pop-up here that we can win a trip. Megan's already decided she's not winning one.
Never win.
Never win. We'll see. I'm feeling lucky today. I don't know about you.
18?
Yes.
Has anyone won today?
Yeah, a little girl won a suitcase like an hour and a half ago.
Oh, that's so cute.
Not a winner.
Yeah, she's like, I really like it.
God, I'm not, so I am 18. Yes, please.
Thank you.
They told me like
That one's good. It's really citrusy. Oh, that's really good. What the heck?
It kind of tastes like perfume.
It totally tastes like perfume. Right? It's really good though. We are back at Target. I came to get a drying rack for our clothes. I forgot to get that yesterday and they don't have them. So I'm just gonna order online. And then I was gonna get a duvet cover because we really need a duvet cover. We just have the insert and our old duvet is like kind of dirty and I just have been wanting a new one. But I haven't found one that I like. I found one that looks good, but it's
linen, so it's gonna wrinkle. My mom was on the phone with me and she was looking it up being like, don't buy it. It's gonna look wrinkly. You're not gonna like it. So, alright, still not gonna get that. I guess I'm not gonna get anything here. I'll leave empty-handed. But, oh well. I gotta go home and do work. I hate end of Sundays. Like Sunday, 5 p.m. rolls around and I'm like, oh, gotta go do work, get set up for the work week, which is such a bummer because I want to enjoy the rest of my weekend. But weekend's basically over now. So depressing. Sorry guys. So I didn't get anything that I originally was planning to get, but I did get snacks. So I think Donnie and I are gonna go meet up in a little while at Costco, probably in like an hour, hour and a half. So I'm just gonna have a snack now because I'm starving. Do a little bit of work because I have not logged into my email since Friday evening, which I just really wanted a little break, but I have lots of stuff I need to respond to and some work I need to do tonight, so I'm gonna start going on that. So yeah, let's start with the snack because I am starved. Guys, I went to sit down on the floor. Normally I sit like right on the floor on the side of the coffee table. And I realized, why wouldn't I sit at my new table, on my chairs, and eat my food, and that way I can work on my computer at the table. This whole adulting thing is just not coming to me naturally. But we're here, we're sitting at the table, and this is very nice. The chairs are super comfy. Living spaces. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Alright guys, we are headed to Costco to go meet Donnie and probably grab a quick dinner at Costco and do some grocery shopping so we're set for the week. It's our Sunday tradition. Just the essentials. Oh my god.
It's pretty cool.
It's a full crab. You can see your little healers too. Wow. We just got back from Costco and I'm gonna open up my J. Crew package that I picked up earlier. I'm very, very excited for this. So let's figure out a place to set you down. I think the only thing in here is a blazer. I'm right, it's just a blazer. The rest is coming later. This does not look promising.
That looks terrible.
It does look terrible.
That's why I removed them, because it said it was a sweater blazer.
It's Autumn Makes Bad Decisions Part 1.
Double breath.
Terrible. Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye, sweater blazer. Alright guys, it's 11:56 p.m., but we're going to the gym because fitness. Got the whole gym to ourselves. Workout number 1 of the week is complete. 4 more to go. I think we're gonna end the vlog here tonight. We're just gonna do a little bit more work, shower, and go to bed. It's now 12:30, so it feels like it's time for bed. All right, good night guys. I will see you in the vlog tomorrow, uploading on Friday.